Hey everyone, Drew from Planet 8 Digital here. Google's Helpful Content Update. What's it all about? So what exactly is the Google Helpful Content Update? Well, simple. You should be making your content for people first, not search engines. Make it for people first. That means if you have content on there that was written strictly for search engines and to game the rankings, you want to get it removed. Or if you're thin on content that's helpful, maybe you need to start adding some better content. Remember, these are guidelines that Google's had in place forever. Right for people, not for bots. So this algorithm actually dropped back on August 25th, and it actually initially finished up probably around September 9th, it looks like. So it's out there. And this is a site-wide impact. And if you got bad content on your website, you got to fix it now because it could take you weeks, months, or longer to recover. And if you don't change it, you're dead in the water. Thanks for watching. As always, I'm Drew from Planet 8 Digital. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more incredibly helpful digital marketing tips. We'll see you next time. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, let's do this.